Meanwhile, legal practitioners have called for a constitutional amendment that will see to the increase of justices of the Supreme Court from 22 to 30. This follows the National Judicial Council (NJC) statement that it is not aware of the shortlist of the 22 justices made by the Federal Judicial Service Commission (FJSC) for the bench of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Correspondent John Felix has more in this report.
A list of 22 justices of the Court of Appeal nominated by the Federal Judicial Service Commission for elevation to the Supreme Court has been sent to the National Judicial Council. The North Central region has 6 nominees, while the Southwest and South-South regions have 2 nominees each. The Southeast region also has 6 nominees, and the Northeast has 2 nominees. The development is coming after the retirement of some justices, which left the Supreme Court with only 10 serving justices. Speaking to Galaxy TV News, some legal practitioners bear their minds on the rationale behind the nomination and why some regions have more nominees than the others.
You consider the number of regions that are presently at the Supreme Court and this opening that is available for them. So that affects the recommendation which is usually submitted to the NJC, because if, like in the Southwest now, there are already many members of the Supreme Court judges from the Southwest, and there are low numbers from the South-South. So the recommendation from the South-South will be more than that of the Southwest. The zoning system, the qualified judges, the most qualified judges, because nowadays what the NJC considers is that they don't want liabilities at the top. So they want people that can do the job. A lot of judges are getting sick and tired. Some are becoming old.
Those nominations, those names, they are the right thing to be done for now. Though it's another to be able to bankroll the financial aspects, which is needful, because it is not just about shorting out names. Another is to be able to fund those individuals that are attaining those positions properly, so that they can face the work with which they are saddled or asked to do. Cannot be running the country with a constitution that is becoming obsolete, and we have a larger avenue, cases coming in day by day, and so we just need to fine-tune the constitution in such a way to accommodate those exigencies. It is necessary.
With this elevation and the tax before the new justices, what should Nigerians expect from them?
Well, these are people that are trained all their life. They have ethics, they have code of conduct. Nigeria should just renew their hopes in them, because the situation in Nigeria has been pitching the public against the judiciary for some time. The least we can do is to trust and believe in our judiciary, since there is no other judiciary. And I'm sure the people being nominated will do justice to their cause.
From them. Well, Nigeria should be expecting from them, like I said, that those that they should be expecting better productivity from them in terms of judgment delivery, quality of judgment which should be delivered, and not just shabby or making people feel are these people really considering what is before them, or they are just on their own doing a kind of voyage of discovery to deliver or dance to the tune of, basically now people think politics define what is happening in the Supreme Court.
It is hoped that these new justices will work towards regaining the confidence of the masses. From Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital, John Felix reporting for Galaxy Television News.